About 4 months back, I tried growing some Italian herbs. I sowed them in soil and created this little greenhouse. But guess what? Most of them never even germinated. But about a month back, I gave them another try. This time with another set of seeds and another form of greenhouse. I soaked the seeds in a tissue paper and kept them in a plastic box. Within 10 days, most of them sprouted. Also, it was easier to know their status in this transparent box. These seeds are from Oregano. If there is a seed problem, you won't find them sprouting, which is difficult to figure out if you directly sow them in soil. I had grown oregano, marjoram, which is like oregano, chives, basil, and fennel. I transplanted them in small pots, kept in evening sun. Now, after 30 days of starting them, I find basil to be thriving with few hiccups. There was insect invasion, which I handled with my soap solution. If you want to know more about that method, you can click on the top right of the screen. They also became a little stretchy, some of them, because of lack of good amount of sun with the ongoing rainy season. But all seems under control. Second star performer were chives. Not a lot of them sprouted, but once they did, they started growing fine. Their requirements are same as basil, good sun, less water. Out of all the sprouted fennel seeds, only one established itself. Rate of survival seems really low in them, but once they do survive, the true leaves start growing quickly. So I still have hopes from it. Next, the failures. Marjoram. They sprouted, established, but died except for 2 or 3 of them. Seems like the weather is the problem and they like perfect watering condition, neither dry nor wet. And lastly, the total failure, oregano. Although they did sprout, but they seem too delicate to survive the soil. Now, here are my takeaways. I know for commercial gardeners, there could be a better way of growing them. But for people like me and you who want to grow these herbs at home, I highly recommend starting them in tissue paper. Try herbs like basil, fennel and chives. Give them 3 to 4 hours of direct sun, water when the soil is dry. I hope this quick review helps you to decide what fancy Italian herb seed you want to buy for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.